Alright, it's the boys. We're gonna drop a IS350. We got Jen in the house. Mr. Nate, though. Yeah. What's up, guys? Got the BCVRs. So in today's video, we'll be installing the BC Racing what is this? VR series on Nate here's a Lexus IS Sport. Nice. Got those? Take it out. Oh, because it's overlapping it, huh? Yeah. Do this too, bro. Save you time. Nice. There you go. All right, so right here we got a. Look how your shit's leaking, bro. It's just water. Remove that bolt from the rear strut. That was a size 19. Shoot. Is it out? Yep. And then on the rear here, we're gonna remove those 3 bolts. All right, we're gonna take off the top mount. The top mount is a size 14. Those nuts are size 14. There we go. So you just ended up with that. Oh yeah. Nice. Shoot. Rinse. How do we do this? So I'm trying to get the spring up so I can take okay, man. Is it coming out? It's all natural? Yeah. Just a little bit, yeah. Where's that rubber mallet? I just need a. Grab. Coming out? Go ahead, hold it. Right? Go ahead. All the way. All the way. All the way. There you go. There we go. Bro, that's still good shocks, bro. Look how extended it is. You're gonna keep it? Sell it. Try to sell it.
Yeah. No, they're good, bro. That's still new.
Mm-hmm.
Man, this car's only 30,000 miles in it, bro. And that's probably all highway miles, you know?
Yeah.
What about this guy? How do you take this guy out? Let's see.
All right, that's that 3rd bolt that we got to remove. 3 bolts total. Same size? That 14? 14.
17.
17. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and remove those bolts there. to access the spring and replace them. Alright, so we unscrew these two bolts here. Size 19. Alright guys, now we're working on the front. Remove that wheel. Alright guys, for the front, easy. Gotta remove this bolt right here. That bolt right there. And the brake lines. Oh, and one more bolt. That one. This one. Woo! Almost done. Sun is down. We got this. Have somebody holding this top part here. Oh, check it out. Drops. Slam.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yep.
What's the title?
Victory lap.
Yep. That's the one, bro. Yeah, dude, you gotta hold it though so I can
Last one. 3 bolts. Doing the front. Front, remove this bolt, that bolt, and 2 bolts down here. Okay.
Where's the ratchet? Where? No, the big one. Oh, this one.
All right, there it is. Dropped. All done. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget, like and subscribe.